Hello dear students, welcome to my online English class. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Students, this is Biplab, MD Shaharja Biplab, assistant teacher in English, Gaibandha Boys High School, Gaibandha. Dear students, today I am going to study or read a same passage from English for today of class 7. So, student of class 7 are especially requested to have your textbook with you so that you can read the text with me and so that you can answer some questions I will give you. Dear students, let's start our today's class. Today our topic is what can we do? Unit 9, lesson 6. Our learning outcomes. After or by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to talk about climate and environment, read and understand text, write short guided and semi-guided sentences and passages, tell the meaning of some keywords from importance. So dear students, before going to the text, we should learn the meaning of some important words, new words that will help us to catch the meaning or understand the meaning of the text easily. So, before going to reading text, we should know the meaning of some important vocabularies. So, first word, we are observing some important words and we will learn the meaning of the words one by one. So, let's know the meaning of the word one by one. Avoid. Our first word is avoid. We should know the meaning of the word to answer the question after reading the text. So, first of all, I know you have idea regarding the meaning of the word. Avoid meaning keep away from doing something. Keep away of doing something. For example, we should avoid using plastic bags to save our environment. Next word, dairy products. That means the meaning of the phrase dairy products mean products containing or made from milk. That is called dairy products. We are observing a picture. If this is the example of dairy products, if you consume fewer dairy products, you can reduce greenhouse gas. So, let's know the next word, lifestyle. The way of life in which a person lives. We are observing a picture. That means she is habituated to use a hair dryer, but we shouldn't use it to save our environment. So, we should change your lifestyle to save energy. Next word, rechargeable. Meaning the capable of being recharged. You are observing a picture of batteries. There are 4 batteries here. That means they are rechargeable. Rechargeable batteries save energy. So we should use rechargeable batteries. Now, another word is reduce. Reduce meaning, the meaning of the word, lessen, turn down, decrease. We should reduce the carbon dioxide to save our environment. Recycle. The most important word is recycle. The meaning of the word is convert into reusable material. That means we are observing a picture here, that is, we are observing plastic bottles are being recycled to make new ones. Dear students, we have already learned the meaning of some important and keywords. Now we will go to read the text and answer the question after going through the text. Please try to read the passage with me, and it will help you to realize the meaning, to understand the meaning easily. Follow this. It is easy to understand now that the global warming and climate change is caused by human on earth. That means we human beings are responsible to pollute our environment and the climate change. If we make less use of energy, the earth will be less polluted. That means if we use less use of cars, if we produce less of smoke, we will be able to save our environment. The golden rule is avoid machines as much as possible. So we should avoid machines that run by fuels to save our environment. If your family has a car, use it less and walk to the shops. That means if you have a car, you should avoid using the cars if you want to go to the shops. That means walking and running are much more fun than sitting in a car. You may use bicycles too. You can save energy by changing your lifestyle. That means if you change your lifestyle, that means if you use less use of cars or motor vehicles run by fuels, you will be able to save our environment. You will be able to save energy. That means it will be helpful for healthy and happy environment. For example, you can often avoid the air conditioning in summer and use hand fans instead. That means if you want to save your environment, you should use, that means it will save your energy. You should use hand fans, avoiding air conditioning. You can also use solar energy. That means you have opportunity to use solar energy that will save your environment. It is environment friendly energy. It is free and more environmental friendly. I have already told you. You can use energy saving bulbs in your rooms. If you use energy saving bulb in your room, that means it will be helpful for the environment, and you will, that means intentionally saving the energy, and it will be helpful for the same environment. If you make a garden, you can grow much of your own food. Making a garden, you can produce your own food, and that will helpful for the environment, and it will save energy also. Do you know that if you eat fewer meat and dairy products, you can reduce greenhouse gas? That means if you take or use or consume less of meat and use less of dairy product, it will also save energy and it will reduce greenhouse gas. You can also save the environment by reducing, reusing, recycling the things you use. That means you can also save energy by reducing, recycling, reusing and recycling the old or used things. The most important idea is, if you don't buy so much things, the first place, you don't need reuse or recycle them. You can also save energy by turning things off when you don't use them. People often leave lights, heating, air condition, uh, computers, TVs, and gas burners on when they don't use them. That means you should turn off the switch of the burner when you are not using it. You also should switch off all the fans, lights, air conditioning, computer, etc. when they are not being used. Thus you can save energy also. Thus they waste a lot of energy. Turning them off save money too. So you can tackle climate change and live comfortably. There is plenty you can do. If we all work sensibly, we can save our lovely planet. That means if we work sensibly, if we change our lifestyle, that means if we less use of if we use less the dairy products, if we consume less meat, and if we are aware of turning off the switches of all the electronic instruments, thus we can save energy. Dear students, now we will open the page 109 so that we can match some phrases. That means there is a column here. We should match sentences parts in A with those in B. So I am requesting you to open your textbook page 109 and try to match the part of the sentences from A column with the sentence of given in the column B. First sentence, if I have shorter showers, I will, what will be the answer? I will help save. If I have shorter showers, I will help save water at home. Please try to match the part of the sentences from both columns and try to match the answers with my own, and then it will be helpful for you. Next sentence, I can help keep cars off the road by walking to school and shops. Number 3, when I leave a room, I can save energy by turning the light off. Turning the light off. Okay, dear students. Putting on a jumper instead of the heater will keep me warm in winter. Plastic bags harm wildlife. Instead, I can use bags made of jute or paper. Number 6, I can dry my hair in the sun without using a hair dryer. I can reduce, reuse and recycle the waste I make. In my garden, I should plant plants that are good for environment. When I am shopping, what should I do then? I should choose products with less packaging. The last sentence, batteries are highly toxic. If I need to use batteries, I can use rechargeable ones. So dear students, we have already matched the sentences from the both columns, and your duty is to answer from your textbook by yourself, and then match the sentences I have given here, then it will be benefited and you will be able to justify whether your one is right or wrong. Thus you can make the sentence correct. Now go to the textbook and read the passage from section A. Write the answers of the following questions. I will give you 3 questions only. Please try to answer the questions. At first you will answer the question by yourself alone, and then I will watch the video and match your answer with my own. My answer or your answer may not be same, but your answer will also be right, because answer may vary. Okay, follow the questions. What can you often use instead of air conditioning? We can often use hand fans instead of air conditioning. The second question is, how do people waste a lot of energy? Try to answer first. People often leave lights, heating, air conditioning, computers, TV, gas burners on when they don't use them. Thus they waste a lot of energy. Last one, we can save energy. How can you save energy? We can save, or I can save energy by turning things off when I or we don't use them. So dear students, your duty is to answer the question at first and try to match the answer you have written in your khata, and then you will be able to justify whether your one is right or wrong. So dear student, I will hope all of you will continue your studies following our online classes, and I think you will be benefited if you watch our class attentively, and you will do so. That means see you in the next class. Thank you very much. Till then, Allah Hafiz.